folks, this is Aditya Raja from inspiredtorise.com, and today we have the Eureka here with us with the Cyanogen Mod 12S update, and the CM12 update is on top of the latest Android Lollipop, which has now just come up to all of the devices containing Cyanogen Mod. So as you can see, not much has changed on the default Cyanogen Mod user interface, but if you use a launcher, for example, if you use the custom Google pack, the Google Experience launcher, and then you would be able to access the Google Now, and if you use the Google Now launcher, you would be able to access Google Now and have the stock Android feel on the Cyanogen Mod 12. And as you can see, the build number and everything, the version of Cyanogen Mod that we have on the device, and it was 12, and you built on top of 5.0.2 Android, and material design changes etc has all been overshadowed by the own skin of Cyanogen Mod, but still you can use your stock launchers or Apex or Nova launcher to get the overall feel. The changes have been made in overall first boot experience, which we haven't shown you here, but the first boot experience has a really cool bluish color Cyanogen Mod logo, and it has the changes where you can see them. And apart from that, the Google dialer application that had featured in the Cyanogen Mod 12 was not working on the model of Eureka that we had, so we were using the by default dialer that we had, and that made for some of the bad things, bad changes, some of the bad experiences with Lollipop that we have on this device. Apart from that, the overall performance has improved drastically, and the camera application too has shown some of the good features in terms of image rendering. The images taken now have a little bit more clarity than the previous images taken on the same smartphone. So we would guess the improvements have come in terms of camera quality and in terms of real world performance. Apart from that, you get the Lollipop notifications. The notification drawer has changed, and you get the latest theme engine from Cyanogen Mod. So these are all of the changes that have come up with the device. So this is Aditya Raja from inspiredtorise.com signing off. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.